Morning, everyone. The problem
Morning.
is about
Good morning.
yes, good morning. Amar, Akbar, Anthony. These people are the partners, and they are running the business in the ratio which will be equally shared by all. Equal sharing ratio. It is given in the question itself. Correct?
Hmm.
Yes. Now, equally means 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. I'm not writing it. Getting? Now, your balance sheet has been given. In this balance sheet, partners are given. Partners had the capital as 20,000, 20,000, and 10,000. So, the balances we will transfer to our partners capital account credit side by balance BD in Amar's column. How much?
20,000.
Akbar
20,000.
and Anthony 10,000.
10,000.
Okay, all are following this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
After that, what has been given?
General reserves.
General reserve. So where we will write?
Partners capital credit side by
Credit
general
side.
reserve.
Yes, by general reserve.
1,000,
1,000,
1,000.
1,000, 1,000, again 1,000, because 3,000 was general reserve and partners are sharing equally. So 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. Then next is
Bills payable.
bills payable. There is no adjustment related to bills payable. So we will be directly writing bills payable. Bills payable. Bills payable 4,000. Then afterwards is given is
Creditors.
on the liability side, it is creditors. How much? What is the amount of creditors?
15,000.
Is there any adjustment related to creditors?
Yes. And no.
Not there.
No, sir.
Okay. Then now they have given this
Assets.
assets. In assets, we will write first goodwill, because goodwill is
Fictitious assets.
very good. Then plant and machinery. 20,000.
20,000.
Adjustment is there, it seems, correct?
Yes.
So I have written
Yes.
in inner column. Then will come stock. Sorry, before stock we have to write debtors. Debtors. How much is debtors? Amount of debtor is
23,000.
23,000. Then
Stop.
stock. Stock is 5,000 and cash at bank. Is there any adjustment on cash at bank? Is said anything? You have to pay the amount or nothing?
In last end.
Last adjustment, it is said some adjustment has been there, overdraft and all, correct?
Yes.
So now we have posted all the balances from our balance sheet, old balance sheet in the question, whatever is given. Okay. Now we have to do we have to see about the adjustments. Now in this adjustment, they have said the Akbar retires from the firm on the above date. Above date means 31st March 2012. Akbar is getting retired, and goodwill is to be valued. See, first adjustment is goodwill, valuation of goodwill. Now we will write in adjust working note valuation of goodwill. Please pay attention. Don't try to copy first like you do in the class. Okay. First pay attention. You can take the screenshot and you will get the time to copy. See, now here they have given the goodwill of the firm was valued at the average of last 3 years. Last 3 years profit is been given. That is 2009. Whatever profit is given, and 2010 profit is given, and 2011 profit has been given. Okay, so you have to find first average profit as we did in admission. Correct?
Yes.
We have did this in admission. So average profit is equal to total profit upon number of years. So here we have to write what is the total profit. Total profit is 30,000 plus 20,000 plus 10,000. Okay. On number of years. How many number of years are there? 3 years. Right? So
60 upon
60,000 upon 3. 1,000 upon 3. That will give you
20,000.
20,000. So 20,000 is the goodwill. Okay. We have revalued it. So the valuation of the goodwill is 20,000. Okay. And further, what it is said, second adjustment, it was decided that goodwill is to be written off. How much? Goodwill is to be fully written off. See first, old goodwill, how much it is?
12,000.
12,000. Okay. So goodwill is to be written off. Goodwill is to be written off means it should not come only. Okay. So when goodwill is to be written off, it will not at all come in the balance sheet. I have erased it. Got it?
Yes.
Samjha? Yes. Now we have to. Now you have to find the difference between it. Old value of the goodwill and new value of the goodwill. Old value was 12,000 and new value is
20,000.
20,000. So the difference is
8,000.
so that means goodwill is to be raised how much rupees?
8,000.
8,000.
By 8,000 rupees. Following? This is very
Yes,
important
yes.
adjustment. Getting? Now this goodwill will be shared between all three partners, because in retirement all are the sharing partners. Getting? Because in admission only old partners. In retirement all three partners. So goodwill which is to be raised is 8,000. 8,000 will be shared by Amar. 8,000 into 1/3. How much?
22,667.
See, it is coming 2000. See here, please pay attention. It was coming 2066.66, correct? So we have adjusted if two side, we have adjusted the two amounts with 7 and the remaining with 6, because it will at the end it should come 8,000 only. Okay. So we have to adjust that. So here goodwill, we will write goodwill by goodwill.
Goodwill. Okay.
This is the raised amount, profit, which is being raised. Okay. ये जो amount है वो raise किया हुआ amount है. So it is coming as profit to all. Getting? ये उनका profit है. Okay. And the remaining partners, that is all partners which has been written off. Written off always come here on the debit side of the partner's capital goodwill. Okay. But here, who is retiring, that person will not be writing off. Only the people who are remaining, that is who are continuing the business, will only write off the profit. Okay.
Okay.
This is very important thing which you have to mark in your book. Okay. All have followed this?
Sir,
Yes.
4,000, 4,000, no?
No.
Total was
See, goodwill
8,000.
valuation of goodwill was how much? 20,000. That 20,000 will be written off, and 12,000, the difference which came, that we are writing here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Followed? Okay.
Yes.
Now, the third adjustment, RDD on debtors. Debtors less RDD. We will do less RDD. How much? 5% on 23,000. 23,000 into 5 upon 100.
One 1150.
1150. So amount is coming 21,850. It is lost, so it will go to our
Revaluation debit.
revaluation debit side to RDD 1150. Okay. Next. Plant and machinery is to be depreciated. Plant and machinery depreciated, less depre. How much? Less depre.
2,000.
2,000.
18,000.
10% of 20,000, that is 20,000 into 10 upon 100, that will give you 18,000. Again, it is our loss, so it will go to revaluation debit to plant and machinery. Hello?
Yes, sir.
2,000.
Yes, sir.
Next, stock is valued at 6,500. Here, directly the value of the stock is given. Here, nothing adjustment is not said. It is appreciated or it is depreciated. So directly the value of the stock is been given. So we have to write the value out. That's how I have written, see, 6,500. That itself shows that it is been appreciated.
Appreciated.
Add appre So it is appreciated by 1,500. So it comes 6,500. Getting? So when it is appreciated, it will go to credit side of the revaluation account by stock. Like stock account. Appreciation. 1,500.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
the furniture worth rupees 5,200 were brought on the same day. They have purchased furniture. Now, furniture is been brought off for 5,200. What is the entry for purchasing the furniture? Sakina will not say. Sakina will not say.
Okay.
Others cannot say.
Furniture to cash.
Very good. Furniture account debit to cash. But यहाँ पर यहाँ ध्यान देना है कि we don't have cash, we have bank. So entry will be furniture account debit
To bank.
to bank. Amount कितना आएगा सकीना?
5,200.
5,200. So दो जगह पे इफेक्ट आएगा. एक आएगा फर्नीचर, हमारा फर्नीचर एसेट में आ गया. फर्नीचर. ये सब हमने this we have done in the last year equation
Yes.
करते वक्त. Okay. 5,200 and we will reduce from our bank. बैंक में से माइनस हो जाएगा. Less purchase of furniture. You write full, huh? I cannot write it. Furniture 5,200 and minus करके अंदर ही लेना है, रखना है. Okay, you have to deduct it and take it in inner column only. How much?
6,800.
6,800. All have followed this?
Yes.
Okay. Next is now Akbar was paid 50% of his due. Oh, this is the last entry, so we have to close this. Now we will close this. While closing, we will see which side is bigger. The debit side is bigger,
Debit.
3,150. So both sides we will write 3,150. Now reduce it and find the difference. In दोनों का difference लिखने का है 3,150 and 1,500. What is the difference? That is our loss on revaluation.
$1,650.
$1,650. That will be divided among all three. 1,650 divided by 3. It will come 550, 550,
550, 550.
550, 550, 550.
सर पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट ने आपने बाय गुडविल एंथनी की इसमें 2667 लिखा है पर वहाँ पे 2666 आएगा ना?
Very correct. Okay. Good. Now ये कहाँ जाएगा अभी?
Debit side of partners capital.
Very good. It will go to the debit side of partners. Okay. The two. What I will write here?
To revaluation account.
To revaluation.
Revaluation account has a substitute name. What is the substitute name of the revaluation account? Someone else? Nivedita? Nivedita?
Yes, sir.
Yes, bolo. What is the
Yes, sir.
substitute? What is the substitute name of revaluation account?
Profit and loss.
What? Profit and loss. You will get a wrong answer for this. Only profit and loss then. Profit and loss
profit and loss
adjustment.
account.
No. Profit and loss
Account.
adjustment account. Okay. Take it. Now we have to see Anthony's Anthony's balances. We have to close the Anthony's account. Anthony का account close करेंगे. How much will come? 13,666. Correct?
सर बट रिटायर तो अकबर हो रहा है ना.
अकबर हो रहा है क्या? ओह सॉरी. ओके. हाँ, तो अकबर का टोटल करो. 23667. Correct?
Yes, sir.
23667. Now Akbar is retiring. So Akbar का amount देखो 23667 आ गया. Correct? 23667. उसमें से 550 माइनस करेंगे तो कितना बचता है? 23,117. Okay. So now what they have said, seventh adjustment, Akbar was to be paid 50% of his due. See, 50% of his due मतलब 23,117. ये उसका balance due है. Okay. So you have to pay 50% of this. So 50% we are paying by bank. So how much will come 50% of 23,100? See, I will do in the working note. Amount due to Anthony. Amount due to Anthony is how much? 23,667 minus 550. That is giving 23,117. Okay. Now we have to pay 50% of it. 50% of 23,117. That is equal to 23,117 into 50 upon 100. L calculate करो बताओ.
11,558.5.
11,558.5. So we will convert this into 9. समझ रहे how we did? So this was 11,558.5. So we converted this into 9. Okay? Hello?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here we are paying him by bank. To bank we have written. From the bank amount we will write in his column 11,559. Okay. Now remaining amount we are not paying him. So what it will come? Sitting and thinking. To loan account.
Loan account.
Now we have paid him, correct? We have paid him by this. So the कितना पे किया है? 11,559. 11,559 we have paid. And how much we have cash with us? See, bank में पैसा कितना है? How much amount we are having? 6,000.
6,800.
Now we have to find the difference of this. We have to find the difference of this. Bank overdraft निकालना है. Bank overdraft is equal to 11,599. 11,559 minus 6,800, the cash which was available with us.
4,759.
4,759. This is the bank OD. This is the bank OD amount. Okay. So you will write here less. पहले यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे ऐड बैंक overdraft. Okay. How much bank overdraft you have took? 4,559. Okay. So your amount 750.
759.
So yes. So your amount comes 11,559. Correct. Then only you can pay to our Anthony's capital account. Sorry, Akbar's capital account.
Sir, loan account 58 will come now. 11,558.
8 will come. Yes. 1 rupee. Yes, 1 rupee. Okay. इधर समझा है सबको? And second effect will come to bank overdraft. Here liability में आएगा bank overdraft. Okay. Amount will be 4,759. ये जो बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट आया है वो वहां आ रहा है. Getting?
Akbar's loan.
Wait a minute. Now this Akbar's loan will go here in liability. Akbar's loan account. How much? 11,558. Okay. Are you following?
Yes.
And now we will close the remaining partners amount. That is total is coming 23,667. Again here the amount is coming 13,666, and the balance will come to balance. What is the difference you have to find? That is 23,667 minus 10,550. So that will come 13,117. Correct?
Yes.
And here it will come minusing this 3,116. Yes?
Yes.
He's not having, so he is having dash. And here it will come on the liability side. We will write capital
Account.
And under that, the remaining partners are
Amar and
13,117 and Anthony. Anthony's amount is 3,016. Okay, and the total will come out 16,233. Now see how by what amount it is getting tallied.
Five 51550.
Correct. 5155. Followed?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
Karina?
Sir.